In this video, we will explore how to select and install packages of documents for you to view and reference inside of KEB's software. In the previous video, we covered the registration process, going from an unregistered status to having a KEB login, applying a registration key, and finding the location of the document database. Now let's move on to how to download packages of manuals and documents for you to view inside of Combivis 6. With Combivis 6 open, navigate to Tools and select Manage KEB Documents. In the Available Documents tab, you will find the packages of manuals that you can download to your software. In our example, we will select Manuals, International, English, but you can select from a wide variety of manuals in languages from German to French to Chinese and more. Then click Install Selected Packages at the bottom. A progress bar will appear as your files are downloading. When the download is complete, you can go back to the Tools bar at the top, select Tools, and select KEB Documents. From there, you will find all the manuals that you now have available in your copy of Combivis 6.